welcome back to another day of coloring with freckles. Today I'm going to be coloring in one of the portraits in my diversity coloring book. So originally I made this coloring book because I couldn't find any drawings, any coloring pages that look like my son in a way where he would feel represented. So I made a coloring book full of super diverse faces, and today I'm going to be coloring in one of the pages from that book. And if you want to get the coloring book and color with me, you can get it on Amazon, and I'll link it in the description box below for you. But yeah, I hope you enjoy it. Let me know if you have any questions or what page you would like me to do next. And please subscribe and leave me a comment. Thank you. Bye.
Today I'm testing out this Colors of the World Crayola pencil set that I bought at Dollartree. And this is marketed as a diverse skin tone set. So I'm going to test it out and see how diverse it really is by using the darkest shaded pencils on the left side of the face and the lightest shade on the right side. And what I do have to say immediately is that the darkest shades, the 4 or 5 darkest shades, are very similar, and so you can't really use any more than 2 of them, and they're not really that deep. They're definitely on the grayer side, and you have to layer them at least in 3 layers to get some depth. So I wish that there was a deeper pencil. Definitely it would have been great for people of a darker complexion. So at this point my hand was hurting. You have to press really quite hard to get some pigment out of these pencils, so I was just going at it over and over again on top of the same areas with the same pencil. I'm trying to make the drawing a bit more realistic by going in with the darkest pencil I found around the hairline, the eyes, the nose, the mouth, all the areas that look a bit more shaded when you look at the face naturally. But like I said, this is a process and you have to keep going over and over it, and I personally think that it ends up looking a bit grey, so I'm trying to go in with a warmer tone pencil to warm up the face a bit before I go in with the blush. So I realized that there was no pencil that was dark enough, so I cheated and used my Pro markers, my Winsor & Newton Pro markers, to try to create a bit of a contrast. So I think that's why it ends up looking decent. And now I'm starting on the right side of the face, where I'm using the lightest pencil that's available in the set. And as you can see, like, this pencil really doesn't even show up on paper, so I'm using the next lightest shade. And then I'm going to use the shade after that again to bring some warmth back, because you can hardly see it. At this point I'm using a peach colored pencil that I found in the set, and I'm going into the same areas that I went in with the shadows in the other side of the face, and I'm trying to create some depth. I end up using the same blush and the same lipstick, the same lip color. And then again, I can't find a color that's saturated enough to do the hair nicely, so I'm cheating and using a different colored Pro marker for her side of the hair. This is a white pen that I also got from the Dollar Tree for $1.25, and I thought it was going to be a pen that I can make highlights with, but it's got a super creamy consistency. It's more like chalk. So I used it in the areas that I could, although I don't think it made a big difference. And now I'm just going in with a black Pro marker and doing the details. So for this to be a diverse skin tone pencil set, I would have needed some deeper colors to go on the left side of the face, some deeper, richer, warmer colors, so that you don't end up looking white or grey or ashy when you finish drawing the complexion. It's not really a good look. And on the right side, as long as you don't use the lightest pencils, you're good.
Oh, and if you enjoyed this tutorial, please click the subscribe button and leave me a comment on what sort of complexions you'd like to see me paint next time. Bye!